This is the main machine I use to sew bodies. It's a Sailrite Ultrafeed LSZ-1. Sailrite is spelled R-I-T-E. It's an industrial machine used to make boat parts, and I'm going to give you guys a little overview. The Ultrafeed has two different models. I have the LSZ-1, which has a zigzag. They also have an LS-1, which is red instead of blue, and it does not have the zigzag feature. The Ultrafeed has a travel case that's black. I got the one without a travel case because I'm not going anywhere. Since it's a machine for boat making, a lot of people travel, so that's an option. The Ultrafeed is screwed into the case, and it pivots on these screws so that you can reach the underside for oiling and other maintenance. A big reason I got the Ultrafeed was because since it's for sailors, they offer a lot of the parts so you can just keep them around and maintain it yourself. I wanted to have a machine where I didn't always have to find someone to service it. If it breaks, I can just do the repairs myself. The first thing I don't like about this machine is how heavy it is. I don't move it a lot, so it's not a big problem, but it's just really heavy. You can kind of hear how heavy it is. But it's an industrial machine, so it's not a big deal. The second thing I don't like about this machine is that there's no light built in. They sell a magnetic light that you can get for extra, but I just bought a little lamp for the back of my machine right here instead. This is a different machine, my Neki, but it shows off what my third complaint is. My Sailrite does not have this little cut right here, so you can cut thread like that. Most machines have that, my Sailrite does not. The Sailrite has a walking foot, which you can see right here. It'll grab the fabric and then it'll pull it along. For the sewing demo, I have 4 pieces of shag fur, and I'm not going to push the fur through the machine. I'm just going to hold it down so you can see it better. I forgot to show the settings for the original stitch. I have it set to a zigzag. This is a large zigzag, and this is a straight stitch. And I have the stitch length a little shorter, around right here. I'm switching to a straight stitch for the rest of this sewing demo, so here we go. So this is the 4 pieces of shag fur. I sewed it without using any effort on my part. The machine just pulled it all the way through. You see it started with the zigzag, went on to the straight stitch. It's on both sides. It went all the way through. To conclude, even with the drawbacks, I really would recommend this machine. It's helped me take a lot of strain off my wrists. That was a really big problem I was having, and it was causing me a lot of delays. So look into the machine if you're looking to upgrade.